And I already did my base and my brows and a little bit contour. I really think today I will not be able to film because the weather was kind of like rainy and cloudy, but seems like it's good enough, so here we go. Now I'm gonna do my eyes, and I will be using the Fenty Beauty Crayon. I forgot what this one is, maybe Frost Bunny. And I'm gonna put the metallic eye and lip crayon in Pretty Penny, which is this penny coin shade on my lid. This will be my base slash primer. And this makeup look is inspired by one of the Riri Met Gala makeup look. I forgot what year, but I will insert a picture of that makeup look somewhere on the screen. Just now I'm gonna make sure that both sides are even. Everything is red. But it's not sponsored by Dr. Pepper, so next I'm gonna go into this palette right here, and I will go into this shade, this orange right here, the less metallic one, which is called Honey Slope. I'm just gonna blend between the metallic crayon and my crease. Just create transition. I'm sorry, I should have zoomed you guys in. There we go. Today in the morning was kind of warm, so I was like, oh, is it spring already? But then my husband said that, yeah, but when we go back to Germany, it's gonna be cold again, so my excitement just gone like that. And I'll put that same shade on my lower lash line as well. Just the outer half. Now it's time to add some pink, and I'm going into Fenty Beauty Killawatt Foil. And I'm dipping into this Sangria Sunset. We're just gonna add the pink, just like outer V. Then I'll put this in the inner half of my lower lash line. I haven't switched brush yet. Now I'm gonna switch into the angle brush and dipping into the same shade, just placing that near as close as my lash line as possible, but still just the inner half. And we're gonna do the same thing with the orange on the lower lash line, but I'm just gonna use this orange here. Now it is time for the fun part. I'm going into this Fenty Beauty Avalanche Metallic Pigment in Raspberry Rave, and I'm gonna do cut crease with this without using any concealer. Going into my mini MAC Fix Plus, just split the brush before we dip into the pigment. Okay, I changed my mind. I just put that pink shade all over my lid, and now I'm going into Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil and Countless Crimson, and I'm just using it to make a line where I cut crease. And then I will use this on my waterline as well. Now I'm gonna do some mascara and pop some fall lashes on, and I will be right back. Okay, I put my lashes and some mascara on, and now moving on to the fun part of this look, more than the eye, which is highlighter. So I'm going to my really cheap but really good highlighting brush, and I'm going to this Sangria Sunset. I'm just gonna put that on my whole highlighting area. If this is not fun for you, I don't know what is. And switching to a smaller highlighting brush. Hello, there we go. And then I'm dipping into this orange and just connect my lower lash line here. I'm sorry. And connect my lower lash here to the pink highlighter. And put it around the edges here to my hairline. And we're gonna highlight even more. Now I'm going to Fenty Beauty Fairy Balm in Rosé on Ice. And I'm just using the same smaller highlighting brush. Just hit the it's so pretty. Just hit that high point of my cheek. Oh my god. I'm like tin can right now. I'm still hitting the other part that I want to highlight, just the bridge of my nose, cuticle. Did I tell you that this one smells really yummy? A little bit on the chin, a little bit on the forehead. I barely tap there because I don't want this part to be too shiny. And now I'm switching to a very small brush. If you please focus, there we go. And I'm just gonna highlight my inner corner. The ultimate Valentine's makeup look. That would be my title. Of course, I cannot miss my brow bones. Man, if I invited to Met Gala this time. I think I want to add a little blush just to give a little bit more matte here, and I will be using the Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy in Poppy Passion. Okay, now for lipstick, I'm going to Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle in Madame. And I'm gonna line my lip with this same pencil from Forever 21. No, Forever Makeup Forever 21. I did add some gloss, and I was using Smashbox Gloss Angelis. Is this the shade? I forgot what's it called, and the shade name just kind of like rub off, so I'm so sorry for that. And now I'm gonna finish up with some setting spray. And if you didn't watch my channel, you know I love fresh vitamin nectar glow water. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the finished look. What do you guys think of this look? Leave me the comment down below, and I will put all the products that I use in this video in the description box as always, so you guys can check it out. And I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day with the loved ones, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.